Hello students, in the last class we studied about buccal cavity, right? In this class we will study about esophagus, stomach and small intestine. So the tongue present in the mouth pushes the food into the food pipe, and this food pipe is also known as esophagus. So esophagus is a passage between mouth and stomach that carries food from mouth to stomach. The food doesn't go directly straight to the stomach. The food is pushed in a wave-like motion. Okay, the food is pushed down in a wave-like motion that occurs by contraction and relaxation of the muscles of the esophagus or esophagus. So this is how the food is transported from the esophagus to the stomach. This wave-like motion that occurs by contraction and relaxation of muscle present in the esophagus is known as the peristalsis. Peristalsis is the relaxation and contraction of the muscle or esophagus that helps in the movement of food from the mouth to the stomach. Now the food reaches to the stomach. So what is stomach? Stomach is a J-shaped bag. Okay, it is a J-shaped bag-like structure. So this is a stomach, and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Okay, its function is to store the food and digest some amount of food in the stomach. Okay, its function is to store and digest food. The stomach releases digestive juice, hydrochloric acid and mucus. Okay, the hydrochloric acid in the stomach makes the medium acidic, makes the food acidic, and kills the bacteria which enters along the food. Okay, it kills the bacteria present in the food, and the mucus protects the wall of the stomach from the acid, from the hydrochloric acid, because hydrochloric acid is very dangerous and it may burn the stomach. And the digestive juice breaks down proteins into its simpler form. Okay, so you must remember that the stomach secretes 3 types of juice, that is digestive juice, hydrochloric acid and mucus, and their functions too. Okay, now we will study about the small intestine. So the small intestine is a long coiled tube. Okay, so this is the small intestine. The small intestine starts from here, and all this is the small intestine. Okay, it starts from this, the blue colored one, and then the light green one. These all are intestine. You should not remember this now, it's for higher classes. I'm just using the picture for the reference. So this is the small intestine. The food is partly digested in the stomach, and the complete digestion or the total digestion occurs in the small intestine. Okay, the small intestine receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Okay, this is the liver, and this green color in the background is the pancreas. The liver, it is the largest secretory gland or largest gland in our body, and it secretes bile juice. The liver secretes bile juice, and this bile juice is stored in this green colored small structure, which is the gallbladder. And the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Okay, so the liver secretes bile juice, which is stored in the gallbladder, and it breaks down fat globules, okay, into fatty acid and glycerol. We will study about it later. And then the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which breaks down carbohydrate and protein. The intestinal juice completes the digestion of starch into glucose, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, and protein into amino acids. Okay, so after the food is digested, we need to absorb it, right? So that our body can utilize it. And so we will study about absorption in the next class. Thank you.